this started again. Finally got our lumber, so we're gonna finish that off. I don't know who this is from, but it's got a ladybug sticker on it. It's gonna make somebody happy. What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
Present. I know it's for me. You know how I know it's for me? Because it has ladybug on it.
That's it.
I'm not gonna open it right now. I'm gonna wait until we're out of the car. But I got a present. A ladybug. Kevin wants you to see how pretty it is right here. Is it that pretty? I guess it's pretty.
I just think I like the landscape and the lights and everything. So this is where Natchez Trace comes in, right?
Yeah.
So if you're going to Natchez Trace Highway, you'll come in right here.
Yeah. Okay, what were you saying?
We are headed out to 601 Salvage, which is a place we've been many, many times. Taken y'all a couple times. We've got sashes that we need for the upstairs of the gable and the main house, right? We told them that.
Did we?
I think so.
I always feel like we're passing it when we go past this building and we're not. I always feel like it's right here, but it's not.
Right over. So we are hoping to find just some old sashes that fit for that gable that's upstairs. It's 20 feet in the air and you'll never see it, but we do want old windows there. So we're hoping we can just find something and not create a brand new one.
Yeah, and we need a whole bunch of doors because a whole bunch of doors burned in the house. And again, John could make new doors, but it would be so much easier to find old doors that are the right profile. We have some doors, but they're the wrong profile. So we need ones that have the correct profile, the correct molding. It would be easier to find old doors, take them to New Orleans, have them dip stripped and go pick them up than it would be to wait for John to build new old doors. So we're gonna...
Wish us luck.
Wish us luck. Here we go hunting. We're going hunting. Right. We're about to have to go in the secret back door.
Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody. See, here, this is gonna be the problem. It's hot. It's so hot, right? Right?
It's very hot. And that sun is...
So my patience for this is going to be short. I may be sitting in the car while Kevin digs through doors. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Kevin's going to reveal the treasures.
Oh, this is wood.
Uh-oh. There's doors.
Yeah, there's doors. Okay.
Treasure. Look at all the treasure. Hey, look at this door. Oh, that's two doors. Never mind. Is it? No, that's one door.
One door.
Huh.
What do you want it for?
The laundry room. It's a good door.
It is a good door. It's enormous.
Yeah. We have a lot of enormous doors in our house. All right.
Okay, so we are looking for, what did I say?
I don't even know right now.
84 and a half, I think.
Right now I'm looking for the right profile.
88 and a half.
These look like most of these are a very similar profile. I wonder if he has these sorted by profile. Yeah. Hang on, I'm gonna turn this off so I can turn the flash on. Kevin is very afraid that you're gonna be judging our ethics and morals. So what did you want to tell them, Kevin?
We have been given permission to go in the back way.
Yes.
And look for the things that we need.
Yes. At one point, Mac was just like, I'll give you a key to the gate. And then he was like, no, here's another way you can just go in.
Just get in.
Like we're close enough friends with Mac that we'll call him and be like, hey, we took 6 doors, 3 windows, and 4 pieces of glass. How much money do we owe you? We did not actually technically break in. And Kevin getting in the car, or trespass, Kevin getting in the car was like, we probably should tell them we're not criminals and thieves. So we are not criminals and thieves, but we could be meaner.
Yes. And he does have a whole camera setup situation here.
Yes.
So don't you try to do it because you don't have permission.
Yeah. He will, he knows when we're here. He'll call and let us know that he saw us here and be like, hey, what did you need? You didn't take anything. What did you need?
No, we gave up early. That was probably the quickest trip we've taken.
Oh, for sure. Because we love digging around in there. Oops, there we go. Sorry, I paused it with my finger. It's like a treasure trove. We love to go play What's It Max? Because he's always getting new old stuff and it's just amazing.
And you need salvage yards. Let's talk about real quick the importance of these salvage yards. Every house we've done, we've tried to find a local salvage yard because you want to put in old. You don't want new in an old house if you can keep from it.
Yeah.
And some of them have, miles and miles of things. But some of them just have the locks you need or a few sashes that you need.
Like if we went down to New Orleans, there would be a limitless number of salvage places and with a limitless number of items. And they're also regional. So we needed some locks, as you saw, for all of Hope. We needed window locks, but they were not to be found down here. But my friend found them in New Hampshire for me. So obviously we don't like to see a single historic home lost.
Right, and these people, that's what I was going to say. These people are going into houses that are being knocked down. They want to save every house, but they obviously can't. Some are just being knocked down, and so they take everything that's worth, and they keep the story going by saving them.
Everything that's worth?
Everything that's worth.
Everything that's worth.
I don't know. Everything that's worth saving. How about that?
That's good. I mean, even with Louise, when
Sometimes I skip words.
Well, it's hot. It's hot. I've had a hard time with word recall today too. Even when we lost Louise to fire, we had Jonathan, who was in salvage, come before we had her, what was left of her knocked down. Jonathan came and salvaged everything that was salvageable and reusable, loaded it up, and it's probably at this point been sold and reused in another structure.
Mm-hmm. And you've seen what they can do with burned timbers.
Yeah.
I mean, underneath those.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to quit filming now because my arm is sore from holding this phone. Okay, bye.
I feel like I have to record this for posterity, that I brought something up and you couldn't find it.
Yeah.
And it was right there.
It's right there.
And I am the one that's usually in trouble for that.
I think you should read my t-shirt and keep that in mind. Hey, you want to see something that I'm like mad about?
Okay, let's see. You could be meaner about it maybe, but.
How many times have we talked about do not touch my windows?
Uh-oh.
Don't touch my freaking windows. And first of all, Jerry Wayne was working around the windows on the inside the other day, and he kept coming out to tell me, don't worry, I'm not going to break your windows. But there's a handprint. Somebody has...
I don't think, I can't see it on camera.
Can you not come over here? Maybe you can see it.
I mean, I gotta go from the inside and see if I can see
No,
it.
I mean, it's like from this side you can really see it.
Oh.
Somebody has pressed on my window.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you know what is going to happen if somebody breaks one of these panes of glass? Like if I do it, I might fling my own self right off the glass. But if somebody else does it, there will be death, doom, destruction,
Yeah.
and dismemberment.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Or you might wake up in the river with concrete boots.
Exactly. Take a, what is it? I'm taking a dirt nap.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Warning to everybody out
Be
there.
meaner.
Yeah.
You have no idea.
The fine detail work from the master.
I don't know about any of that. But I'm determined before I go home for my daddy's birthday to have these 4 window sashes ready for you to put in while I'm gone. So here I go.
You getting there?
I'm getting there.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
So these frames that they're building are for our vents in the gable that go both sides. Both sides, in the middle is a window. So we're gonna go try to find a window that'll fit. And then he's making these slats and the vents for that section. Both the masters at work down there. So just like I did on the other window in the dining room, I'm going to actually cut around this window with my multi-tool, my oscillating saw. You can see right there, I've done as much as I can from the inside, so I'm gonna have to climb this ladder. But the paint is just too thick for the zipper to cut that paint away, so I'm gonna have to use this. It's not really doing any damage, and the area that I'm cutting into is basically a cavity anyway, where the outside stop goes. So it's pretty good use of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. So this is interesting and very annoying. So most of these windows have this divider here to divide the top weight from the bottom, top sash weight from the bottom sash weight. And it's easy to work around, able to pull out my weights and put in my weights and get my ropes and all that. Come out of there. Hard to do one-handed though. So that's not hard, right? But here's the annoying thing. This one is nailed at the bottom. It's fastened at the bottom, and so I got this weight out easy, but getting this one out is proving very difficult. I don't know why they nailed it at the bottom. Maybe it was an afterthought, but I think I'm gonna have to take it out to get that weight out of there. You know, I don't think we're gonna die without it, but it may have to come out. Okay, so that wasn't even the problem. The problem, and I did get it out after I kind of moved it over with a crowbar, but the problem is it's just full of junk, so it wouldn't move over. So I think I can clean that out and we should be fine. It feels like I didn't accomplish anything today, but I did get that top sash out. I got all of the extra hardware off. I got the 2 rollers off both sides, and I had to get them off of this window also, and some more hardware off. But those flathead screws are killing me. But otherwise, I'm gonna do my sanding tomorrow.
So we dumped the remnants of our 4th of July veggie tray. It had veggies and cheeses and little sausages down here. And Kevin said, "Do you think it's okay to throw it this close to the house?" And I said, "I think it's just fine. Because look, we have a little cleanup service." I knew he was gonna love those sausages. Who wants veggies when you can have little sausages? Right, buddy? Hi. Hello, Mr. Possum. Hello, sir. Are you just possuming? Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Yum, 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 yum. So yeah, I don't think this is going to be a problem. So cute. Oh my gosh. We're going to open the box that you saw. Did I see it yesterday or did I just get it today? I think
we got it yesterday, but they haven't seen it.
Okay. That shows you how busy I've been. I got a present and couldn't open it.
This is the one with the ladybug.
Yes.
Ladybug.
Was that even in yesterday's video? I don't think
It wasn't, because it happened after I edited.
Ah, okay.
Behind the scenes, the more you know.
I know. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess if I use that kniffy. You're gonna have to use the working speed up music. This came all the way from Shingle Springs, California.
Oh, Shingle Springs.
Doesn't that sound like a lovely place?
Well,
let's hope it's not a finger.
We're watching Dexter right now. We should tell everyone. We don't always just go to, maybe it's a finger.
With a ladybug on the label.
I know. When you watch Dexter, sometimes
your brain immediately goes to, I hope it's not a finger.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
Oh my goodness, it's probably for me. It's probably for me. Sometimes it's for me.
It probably is for you.
Is this a game?
It's a box.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Boxes are always for Ted.
That is awesome. This is like... What?
Oh, look, it's Ladybug Garden Lights.
Oh my gosh.
How cute. Okay, these are these. These are fantastic. These are from, oh, it's a long note, Pam. Oh, these are so cute. I'll have to string them up here at the cottage.
That is amazing.
Those are fabulous. They Thank you, my
That's
sweet friend.
fun. And not a finger.
And not a finger at all.
Say okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Now, the present was in fact for Ted. Theodore, diapolis thistle. Ted. Are you just
captaining my ship?
Are you just captaining your ship? I hate I didn't get him jumping down into the box from the couch because he just jumped right in. Did you, buddy? Yes. So Pam, Ted also left your gift. Ted says, okay, bye.